Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the new AI model released by Google, Gemma 4. Some of you may have read the news, others may have ignored it, assuming that this is only for the technical people. So in today's video, we are going to explain in a way so that both technical and non-technical people can understand it. So far, we have been told that for using AI, we need a high-speed internet connection. We may have to buy a paid subscription, and we also have to upload our data to an AI company server, right? But what in case if you are on a plane, you are on a flight, right? You are on an isolated island, or you are working on a very secret report. You don't have an internet connection, you don't want to share the data also, but you still want to use the capabilities of AI. What to do? That's where Gemma AI will work. Gemma AI is an open AI model which is very small in size. It can reside on your laptop or it can work even from your phone. That's the beauty of it. Gemma 4 is based on the concept of open AI model. What does it mean? Does it mean it is sponsored by OpenAI, Sam Altman? No, that is not true. So we should understand the difference between an open AI model versus a closed AI model. Let's take an analogy. You went to your favorite restaurant, you ordered the food, you ate the food, and you really liked it, right? Now you want to go to the kitchen, you want to speak to the chef, and you want to see the recipe so that you can prepare the same food at your home. But that is not allowed. Why? The restaurant doesn't allow any of their customer to enter the kitchen. They don't allow their chef to speak to any of their customer. The recipe is more of a proprietary of the restaurant. That's a closed AI model. Now on the other side, if you go to another restaurant, right, the kitchen doors are always open. The chef is always on the floor. And the recipe is available publicly. That's an open AI model. And that's what Gemma 4 is based on. So the Google's idea is they want to share the Gemma 4 model in a way so that the researchers, students can customize it as per their need. But there is a catch. What in case if bad guys start using it for doing the bad things? And this is a very fair question people ask it. And that is possible. That's where the way Google has prevented it by using a very rigorous safety preventive testing, using the red teaming concept. What they did, they hired hackers to say or to push AI to say or to do bad things, right? And before making the release, they have removed all the training data. This way, they are making sure that the Gemma 4 is being used for the goodwill of the community. The other question people generally ask is Gemma 4 as good as ChatGPT or Gemini? The answer is yes and no both. And the reason they ask is because if it is so small, it can reside on my laptop or on my phone, right? Then how is it possible? The Gemma 4 use a concept called as a distillation. Take an analogy. Think about it. If you have one of the biggest library in your town, the library may have millions of books, right? Which is really good. But if you want to use that library, you have to visit the library. And it's a time consuming, right? And it takes its own resources. On the other side, you have a very smart librarian. What it does is, it takes out the 5% of the most useful books from that library, condense them into a guidebook, and that guidebook can be put into your backpack. That's what Gemma 4 is. And that's what the concept of distillation is. Right? It is in a multi-model base. What does it mean? It doesn't just read the text, it can read the images, it can hear the sound also. As of now, it supports 140 languages. There are at least 3 reasons you are going to love Gemma. First, the privacy. Since the AI is on your laptop, your data will never go out of your laptop, right? and you don't want to share the data of your maybe your private contact or maybe your patient information, right? So that's privacy is the key. The second, since the AI is always with you, then you don't need an internet connection. So wherever you go, your AI will be with you. Third, in future, people are going to build mini Gemmas, the specialized Gemma. There will be a Gemma which is maybe just for the gardening. There will be Gemmas for the musician, right? There will be Gemmas maybe for the content creators. If you want to give it a try, go to apps like LM Studio or Olama, right, and download Gemma 4. The AI will be on your laptop. We are entering into a personal AI era. The future looks interesting. Let's see how it goes. I hope this was interesting to all of you, right? And if you found some value out of it, please do subscribe or comment to our channel. Thank you.